Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda on Wednesday made serious kidnapping allegations against Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. While speaking to reporters in Chikmagaluru, Deve Gowda accused Shivkumar of kidnapping a 9-year-old girl and forcing her parents to transfer the property to his name near Bidadi in Ramnagara district. Let's hear what the former Prime Minister said.
ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಯಾಕೆ 9 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಗೆಲ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮುಖಭಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕದಿಂದ ಹಣ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ರು ರಸ್ತೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡದಿ ಹತ್ರ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು IT ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಕ್ರಯ ಪತ್ರ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖಭಂಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಖಭಂಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳನ್ನು 9 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಮದುವೆ ಗಂಗಮ್ಮ ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ 9 ದಿನ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದಿನ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ
ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಬರ್ಕೊಡು. ಆ ತಾಯಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಡು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರಪ್ಪ. ಗಂಡನ ಕಾಲು ಕಟ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ. ಪಾಪ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಮಗುನ ದೂರ ಕೂರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟರು ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ರೂಮಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ದಾಖಲೆ.
The former Prime Minister claimed that a US returned businessman wanted to set up an IT company in Bidadi and had bought the land. But Shivkumar reportedly created fake documents and tried to poach the land. The JDS Supremo claimed that the matter went to the Supreme Court, where the Deputy Chief Minister lost the case. Deve Gowda claimed that Shivkumar then kidnapped the businessman's daughter and kept her in captivity for 9 days and got the property transferred to his name. The former Prime Minister also claimed that he has evidence regarding the kidnap case. He did not reveal when the incident took place or who this businessman was. D.K. Shivkumar, responding to these allegations, challenged Deve Gowda to release the said proof. Let's hear what the Deputy Chief Minister said.
ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೂ ತರದಿರಿ. ನಾನೇನು ಮೂರ್ಖನಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರೆದಿರೋಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾನ ಅವರೊಂದು ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಕಮ್, ಕರೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
BJP's Ashwath Narayan, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, commented on these allegations and said that if such a senior leader has made such serious allegations against D.K. Shivkumar, he should come and clarify on the same. Let's hear what he said.
This is a very serious allegation. See, any person should have ethics, morals, and you should not, seek somebody's property by bullying them or blackmailing them, kidnapping. All these allegations, whatever our former Prime Minister has made, it's a serious allegation. I think serious action and response has to be there. It is not a trivial matter. It's a serious matter. He needs to respond. It is not some any unknown person making a statement. A serious allegation has been made against him. I think a serious action and respond should come. And I think even the people should look into these issues, entire issues, how they have been behaving and how they have been misusing the powers, abusing the powers. I think people should teach them a lesson in this upcoming Lok Sabha election, and a right decision should be taken by the people, because it is, denial of their own rights. Whatever is their rights has been denied, and this kind of abuse and misuse, if the power is given to the wrong people, what happens? These are the classical examples.